Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Mary. So in today's video, I'm bringing you guys a Canadian grocery haul. So let's get into the haul, guys. So we got this mango juice and this guava one, and then some onion rings. And then over here, I got some whole wheat bread. We got some spinach. I love this with my eggs in the morning. I think I had already showed you guys how I make my eggs in the morning. And then I got 2 English cucumbers, 2 zucchinis because I'm the only one who eats them, 2 tomatoes, and then more asparagus. We love asparagus. And then onions because I ran out. And then we got some bell peppers. We love the red ones. And then sugar snap peas. And then we got some dry shallots. And then over here, some red seedless grapes. And then some kiwi because my daughter loves to do smoothies with kiwi and strawberry. And then we got some apples, some bananas, and then I got this Activia yogurt with probiotics inside, and it's blueberries. And then we got olives because we already ran out. Some olive oil mayo. And then we got some broth. This one is pho. I guess it's for the soups. And then this one's the Thai. You guys know that I get this one a lot. And then we just got some garlic tomato paste for when we make spaghetti. And then white kidney beans. We got 2 of these. And then this is the first time that I get these tortillas. They're called Mexicano. And they were so soft, so I really want to try these. And then I got some parboiled rice. And then some Swiss cheese, which is my favorite cheese. And then this Philadelphia chive cream cheese. And then we got, I'm sorry you guys because sometimes it's in French, so I turn it for you guys. So salt and pepper chicken wings. I don't think we've ever gotten this brand before, but we'll try it. And then wild shrimp because I like this in salads. And then I got just regular wild Argentina shrimp. And then you guys know, obviously, I'll get my crispy ninis, savory tomato and basil. And then I got some imitation crab again. I want to make the potato salad, which I just love so much, so I keep making that. And then over here we got some butterfly shrimp, and they're like breaded, and these are new. So I want to try this and see if it's going to be good. Let me just bring the ring light over here so you guys could see. And then over here we got some muffins, chocolate chip and banana. And then these are fried noodles, and I love these in my salads. They're so yummy. And you could put them in soup, salads. And then we got these Melba canapes, this sesame, which is my favorite. And then my boyfriend got white chocolate. Hold on, let me turn it around. White chocolate and macadamia nut cookies. These are so good. And then we got some Yum Yum chips, which we opened in the car. And then we got some of these baguettes from the brand Grisol, and it's aged cheddar. They didn't have the one that I normally get, which is the tomato and basil one. And then we got some ice cream. This is the brownie chocolate one. And then we got some milk chocolate almonds. And then I got these tomato and basil chips. They're sun-dried tomato and basil vegetable chips. And there's no artificial colors, so I really want to try these. And then I got what my daughter loves, the sweet and salty granola bars. These are the dark chocolate nut. And then we got this creme brulee real dairy ice cream. It's the first time we get this one as well, so we're going to try it and see. And then I just got some milk chocolate chips from Chip-Its. And then we got some 7-Up. And yeah, guys, so that's everything that we got this week. Let me just put everything away. Hey guys, so it's the next day and today we went to Walmart. I just need to pick up a couple of things. So I'll show you guys what I got. So I got this Easter basket. I want to make a basket for my friend's daughter. And I'm going to put this inside for her. This chocolate. Then we have the mini eggs, cotton candy. This Lol Surprise, there's 40 tattoos inside and she loves Lol Surprise. It's her favorite. And then we have the Kinder Joy. I love these. I think they only come out once a year. So I'll put that for her. Well, one's for my daughter and one's for her. And then I got this to put inside the basket. What's this called again? Plastic Easter grass. So it's going to go right in here. I might show you guys how I make the little basket. I also got this. This is a mermaid Easter egg activity kit. So going to be cute. She's going to love doing this. She's 5 years old, so it'll be fun for her. And then over here I got this. It's like a, what is it, hair gel or something. And it shapes, smooths, and separates because my daughter, she has really curly hair. So this is good for her. And then I got this spin brush. It's new. Pro Clean Net. So I want to try that because mine ruined. And then for my cat, I got her some Temptation Seafood Medley flavor treats. And I also got her these. I think I haven't bought these before. They're from Special Kitty, chicken flavor. So she'll try those. And then I have a budgie, so I got this for him. He loves everything that has bells. And then over here, I got this Canada Red 3-cheese tomato sauce. And then garlic, because I ran out. And then a baguette bread. And then more of these crispy minis, you guys. I'm obsessed with these. And then over here, this looks like bok choy, but it's called yu choy. So I can't wait to try it. I haven't tried this one before with the stems like this. And then the Mousse Lover mini desserts. You guys know how I love these. But we did like the vanilla ones better. My daughter liked the chocolate one better. Me and my boyfriend would like the vanilla one better. And then these are mushrooms, and then some Swiss cheese, and then these pizza pops for my daughter, and then Lucky Charms for her as well. And then this is the first time I get this. This is the Silk Creamy Maple for coffee. So it's like almond milk. And then over here I just got some medium ground beef. And then this is pepperoni, salami, and smoked ham. And I want to make a pizza with my daughter. We want to make a pizza together. It's going to be a nice activity. So I got some pizza sauce. I got 2 of them. And then I found this pizza crust mix. I got 2 of those as well. And then I love this. This is the Nature Ripe Snacks Bliss Bento Chocolate Cheer. And this has blueberries, dark chocolate chunk granola clusters, dark chocolate covered chickpeas. I really love these. They're really good. These are 200 calories for one. And then this Smucker's Magic Shell chocolate. You put this on top of ice cream and it becomes hard. I love this. And then I got some original syrup for pancakes. My daughter always loves syrup on her pancakes. And then I got this butternut squash. These are the frozen ones. This is to make soup. And then I got this fingerling gourmet potatoes. They're just regular potatoes, and I guess you have to cut them up, and maybe there's a recipe in the back, I'm not sure. And then I got bagel bites with 3 cheese. And then I got these roll-ups for when my daughter's friends come over. They like these. And yeah, guys, so that's it. So my Walmart haul was $141, but I did buy something else. Oh, let me show you guys. I forgot. I'll show you right now. So I got this. This 3-shelf organizer. You guys know that I got that already in my bedroom when I did my closet organization. You guys could go watch that video. I'll link it down below. Yeah, so I got another one because I have an empty space still in the back of the closet, like on the right side. So I wanted to put another one just to, you know, put more things on the shelf.